So yeah, today we'll design SIW antenna, which is a dual frequency at 28 and 30 gigahertz. So this will be our substrate. Width will be minus WS by 2, WS by 2. Length will be 0 to LS. Height will be minus height of the substrate. And material you can load it from here. Selecting the new material, load from the library. Here you can put RT5 at 0. This will be our required dielectric material having dielectric constant of 2.2. Load, preview. So width is 7.5, length is 30 mm, and thickness is 0.254. Click on the OK. Yeah, so this is our substrate. So now we have to design one ground first. So for that, you can straight away select the face from the Z negative axis. Just select here HC, which will be height of your conductor. Here you can change the material to PEC, which is perfectly electric conductor. Thickness we can give it here. Click on the OK. You can see our ground is done. Now we have to design this feed. So feed whose x will be minus width of the feed by 2, width of the feed by 2, length will be length of the feed, and height will be height of the conductor. Width of the feed is 0.75 mm, length is 3 mm, 3.5 mm. Click on the OK. Yes, it is done. Now if you see here, sorry, if you see here, it is started from here, a rectangular block. So that we have to design now. So for that, you can bring brick here, which will be SIW base. Width will be again same. Width is not changed, right? So width of the patch is also same. Length is not starting from 0. It is started from length of the feed plus one gap is there. To length of the substrate. Height will be height of the conductor. Click on the preview. Gap is 6 mm. Now you can see it is perfectly done. Then click on the OK. So yeah, now we need a cut. Here you can see there are two slots are there. This width is around 3 mm. So for that you can bring your UVW coordinates into the file. Then here for easy way you can create one sheet whose length will be 3, width will be 3, length will be 0, and height will be height of the conductor. So why I'm bringing here this is for easy way of designing. So I'll get these 2 points for selection and designing. So once I'll select this point, I can bring UVW here for that slot. And this will be my slot 1, whose W underscore slot. Length will be L underscore slot. Height will be height of the conductor. Click on the preview. Width of the slot is 0.7 mm. And length is 2 mm. So yeah. So once this is done, we can bring that on other side. So again, there are two ways. We'll use this one by translate operation. You can select this point and the end point. So that is what we have created this sheet, which is useful for us for translating this in creating the slot. So we can do the copy of it. Click on the OK. Now here you can see, you can subtract both the slots. So yeah, so this is what the use of this creating that sheet. Now at the end, you can delete this sheet because we are nowhere required this. Now we need this bend, right? Yeah, you can select both. Come here called bend. Give some degree. Yeah, this is fine. So yes, now we have to create a tapering, which is with the help of loft operation. For that, select both these faces. Come here, the operation called loft. Select that. Straight away, you can see that tapering will be done. Click on the OK. So now we are left out with only vias. So for via, you can select this point, bring UVW coordinates here, translate your axis